Hi all, welcome to today's session. In this session, we will be dealing with tutorial 1 limits, continuity and differentiation. So, what is this limits, continuity and differentiation? This word limit, continuity and differentiation we have come across in our grade 12. I mean your second PU or your CBSE 11 to 12. You would have a chapter in your NCERT as continuity and differentiability. Right. Now, this topic has been put in tutorial 1 to bring a connectivity between your grade 12 to your engineering mathematics. So, this complete topic you will be dealing with engineering mathematics under semester 1. So, this is your first topic. And basically, in our previous years or in our previous lectures, we would have discussed about chapter 1, chapter 2, like that. But in engineering math, we discuss about tutorial 1, tutorial 2, wherein I have comprised and cut short in each tutorials such a way that your tutorial 1 will have one simple concept, and that concept will be having a several different sub-concepts. Those sub-concepts are divided into something known as sessions. We have session 1 over here. So we will see what all concepts we will be studying in this session 1. Right. Find the limit if it exists, and if the limit does not exist, explain why. So this is basically the concepts of limits. Okay, just substituting the value, finding out. And if the limit is going to indeterminate form, then use something rule known as LH rule, L hospital rule, or you call it as L'Hopitas rule, right? So yeah, we will look after it now. We will look for the solution. Write down the question again. Limit as x tends to 1, x cube minus x square plus 1. Okay. In place of x, you are substituting 1. On applying the limit, you will get 1 cube minus 1 square plus 1. So this will be equal to 1. So henceforth, limit exists. Right? Limit exists. Okay. Okay. When you see across the next question, you substitute 2 over here, 2 square is 4. The numerator becomes 0. When you substitute 2 for the denominator, 2 cube is 8. And 4 into 4 16, 4 into 2 8. So total denominator also becomes 0. So 0 by 0 form is known as indeterminate. Right? When you are getting this indeterminate form, then what will you use? You will use a rule called LH rule. So you have to mention it using LH rule. What does LH rule say? Differentiation of numerator divided by the differentiation of the denominator, then apply the limits. So limit as x tends to 2. What is the numerator differentiation? X square will become 2x minus 4 will get ignored. I mean it becomes 0. X cube will become 3x square minus 4 into 2 is 8x plus 4. Okay, this is the differentiation of the denominator. Now substitute the value. 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 4. So henceforth this will be equal to 4 divided by 12 minus 16 plus 4. Okay, 4 by 0. What is any number divided by 0? Infinity. So obviously the limit exists. Right? Yes. For the next question, we have limit as x tends to 0, sine 4x divided by sine 2x. So let's see the solution for this. Okay, what is the answer for, what is the formula for sine 2a? 2 sine a cos a, isn't it? Using this formula, we are simplifying the numerator. Limit as x tends to 0. Sine 4 theta is nothing but 2 sine 2 theta, I mean 2x, cos 2x divided by sine 2x. Okay, why am I simplifying like this? If I just substitute 0, it will become 0 by 0 form. Again, it's indeterminate form. So I am substituting like this. So I can see one common term here, one more common term here, mutually gets cancelled. Right? Okay. So limit as x tends to 0 of 2 cos 2x. 2 is a constant taken out of limits. When cos 2 times 0, cos 0 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. So therefore the limit exists. Limit exists. Right? Clear? Yeah. Next. So now you get two types of limits known as left hand limits and right hand limits. So you are gonna solve using that limits function. So what is your left hand limit? As the value of x the value approaches -1 towards the left hand side, then it will be limit of f of x as x tends to -1 minus, okay, is equal to limit as x tends to -1 minus f of x. Towards the left side it will be 2x plus 5. That time it will be 2 into -1 plus 5, that is nothing but 3. Right, this is your left hand limit. Let's see for the right hand limit. Your right hand limit says like this: limit of f of x as x tends to -1 from the right side 1 plus is equal to limit as x tends to -1 plus, what is it from the right side? It is x square minus 4. So -1 the whole square minus 4, which is equal to -3. Okay. So does the limit exist or not? So as per the limit formula, your left hand limit and right hand limit should be equal. So clearly your left hand limit is not equal to your right hand limit. Right? So hence limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. Clear? Okay. We will move ahead to the next slide now. So here we are done with the first minute concepts of limits, continuity and differentiation. So in our next session we will be taking another small concept about limit, continuity and differentiation. Before ending this session, if you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please share your comments and share this video. Do subscribe to my channel to be more updated. Thank you. Have a nice day.